During a cleaning operation, results matter, and so does what happens to the waste. The Hull Hero is a fully comprehensive underwater hull cleaning system. The vehicle and its maintenance stand, a power unit, a filtration system, an umbilical and reel, and a dedicated communication setup. Logistically, the system is mobilized by truck and ultimately deployed to meet the requisites of any operational scenario. Its footprint on deck is between 20 to 24 square meters. As standard, before deployment, we verify that all systems are go, ensuring that the diver remains connected and the air supply is constantly monitored throughout the operation. As per usual, the diver performs a pre-cleaning inspection without the vehicle, establishing and documenting the hull condition with photos and/or video, estimating the level of coverage, and identifying the type of biofouling encountered: grass, algae, slime, calcareous growth, etc., etc. With this information, the cleaning parameters are defined, and a dive plan is put together by the dive team supervisor, who will select the appropriate brush combination based on the fouling and hull condition encountered. Subsequently, the vehicle is launched and the diver starts the unit whilst at the surface, then positions it onto the hull to commence with the cleaning according to plan. The operation is constantly monitored from the command post along with the constant diver to surface communication. Furthermore, on steel hulls, the unit's magnetic attachment will keep the Hull Hero adhered in place, and on non-ferrous surfaces, its positive buoyancy will allow for smooth diver rotation without having to retrieve and then redeploy the unit, thus minimizing associated downtime. The captured fouling then travels up to the multi-stage topside filtering station via the umbilical, where the larger particles are retained during the initial stages of the filtering process, then separating the finer microfouling which is trapped in the fiber mesh sock filters, and the resulting biomass waste is then stored for proper handling by specialized partners ashore, whilst the filtered water is then returned safely to the sea. Upon the conclusion of the operation, we carry out a post-cleaning photo or video inspection to verify the level of cleaning that has been achieved. Finally, the vehicle is recovered, the umbilical and equipment are secured and washed down with fresh water, leaving the system ready for the next operation. The Hull Hero by Randal Systems, a fully comprehensive, professional underwater hull cleaning system which offers full control, high level of diver safety, and optimum waste capturing capability, which meets the requisites of the soon-to-be implemented IMO MEPC underwater hull cleaning regulations. Want to learn more? Let's talk.